the Classic Daiquiri today in the Tiki Bunker. Hi, I'm your barman and author, Rob. The Daiquiri was first created in the late 19th century by an American living in Cuba. A certain Mr. Cox, who had been living there for a number of years, either created or co-opted the drink. It remained a local favorite until about 1909 when Admiral Johnson showed up and brought the drink back to the Army and Navy Club in Washington, D.C. No, I'm not kidding. Cox and Johnson. By the end of World War II, the daiquiri was one of the most popular drinks in the United States. Enough talk, it's tiki time. Chill your coupe, martini, or Nick Nora glass, and fill a shaker with plenty of ice. Add 2 ounces of white rum. I'm using Diplomatico. Next, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. I'm using Mai Tai Enriched simple syrup, as we do here in the bunker. Shake and double strain into your now empty Nick and Nora coupe or martini glass. Let's try. Sweet, sour, crisp, refreshing. A true classic of the tiki arts. What would I pair it with? I'd go with another classic. A classic science fiction space opera, like Above the Storms by yours truly, Rob Perrier. Links to the recipe and to the book below. See you next time in the Tiki Bunker.